Jamaica Homes, unveiling the essence of quality and the Jamaican spirit through our brand. By Jamaica Homes, published on June 8, 2023. Welcome to the heart and soul of Jamaican living, Jamaica Homes, where dreams of quality, elegance, and undeniable charm find their home. In a world filled with uncertainty, our brand emerged from a couple's unwavering desire to reconnect with their roots amid the challenges of the COVID-19 pandemic. Their vision was simple: to acquire land and craft a sanctuary that captures the essence of Jamaica's warmth and spirit. Jamaica, with its vibrant culture and rich musical heritage, boasts a population of around 2.828 million as of 2021. Yet the island's reach extends far beyond its physical borders, resonating globally. As the saying goes, we likkle but we tallawah, emphasizing the resilience and strength ingrained in the Jamaican spirit. This sentiment forms the foundation of Jamaica Homes, a brand that stands tall in the realm of real estate. Our journey began with an exploration of Jamaica's most ambitious self-building projects, where intrepid returnees and individuals embarked on the quest to design and construct their dream homes. Inspired by these endeavors, we established Jamaica Homes, not merely as a real estate platform, but as a community hub, a place to explore, share, and celebrate the collective wisdom of creating a place in the sun. The Jamaica Homes logo, crafted with swift creativity, mirrors the essence of modern Jamaican living. Two sleek outlines of a Jamaican home, one in vibrant green and the other in sunny yellow, stand proudly, embodying the colors of the iconic Jamaican flag. Beneath this symbol of unity, the name JamaicaHomes.com is etched, a digital doorway to a world of possibilities. In just a few short years, Jamaica Homes has evolved into a popular property listing website, JamaicaHomes.com, your go-to destination for building, buying, and selling and renting real estate in Jamaica. Our platform is a dynamic showcase, updated daily with new listings that cater to diverse tastes and preferences. Whether you seek a tranquil retreat, a bustling urban abode, or a beachfront paradise, Jamaica Homes is your partner in turning dreams into reality. Our commitment goes beyond transactions. It's about fostering a community where experiences are shared and lessons are learned. Join us on this extraordinary journey, where the allure of Jamaica's homes becomes a global phenomenon. Let our platform be your guide as you navigate the world of real estate with confidence and excitement. Jamaica Homes, where the warmth of the island meets the dreams of a lifetime. See Jamaica Homes brand guidelines.